Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to resize image in Photoshop. I'm going to concentrate on how to use the free transform tool. You see, when you open your image in Photoshop, the next thing you need to do is press Ctrl T by using the Windows or Command plus T by using Mac. Alternatively, you can go to Edit and click on Free Transform. The next thing you need to do is resize. You see, drag the corner handles of the transform box to resize the image. Then you can also maintain aspect ratio by holding down the shift key while dragging to maintain the image proportion. Then you press enter to apply the transformation. Please consider that free transform is more interactive but can sometimes lead to quality loss if you make extreme changes, as this is very useful for quick resizing and adjustment. So to preserve your original image, use File and Save As to save this resized version with a new name. Be mindful of resolution, especially for print, and choosing the right resampling method is essential for maintaining image quality. Always be aware of it if you are scaling or if you are upscaling or downscaling an image, as this will also greatly affect the final image quality.